Concept Clarity Board, it is prepared after completing each chapter, where my students will be grouped by two and they will be given topics where they will write down what they have learned about that concept, about that topic, and also further explain the topic one by one, where they will be corrected by me as a teacher, and the right concept will be pasted down on the Concept Clarity Board, which will be used by them for the revision.
We have two-step reaction. The first step reaction is the formation of cation, and in step number 2 we have the attack of nucleophile. In step number 1, formation of cation, we see that the halogen group from the carbon chain gets removed and the formation of carbocation is formed. And in step number 2 we have the attack of nucleophile, where we see that the OH group attacks the carbon chain and gets attached with the carbon chain.
To write the IUPAC naming, first we need to see the longest carbon chain. Secondly, we need to do the numbering, and double bond and triple bond will have the smallest number. Also, the functional group will have the smallest number. For the functional group, we need to name it from alphabetical order. And lastly, we need to write the name of the chain.
Chiral compound is an asymmetric carbon which has difference for substituent. If there is different substituents, it is optically active. Addition of haloalkanes. Allylic halides. These are the compounds in which halogen group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon, which is further bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. Benzylic halide. These are the compounds in which halogen group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon and which is further bonded to benzene ring. Halogen exchange for iodine and fluorine. Alkyl chloride or bromide is treated with NaI in the presence of dry stone. Here the halogen groups, here the replacement of halogen groups takes the Mears reaction. Here the aniline is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, which forms diazonium salt, which is further treated with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide to form aryl halides. Similarly, aryl iodide also can be prepared by shaking the diazonium salt with potassium iodide. Reaction of metal on haloalkanes. Which reaction? When haloalkanes are treated with sodium, it forms double number of carbon per salt.
Concept Clarity Board helps us to clear up confusion and doubts after we finish every chapter. This also helps us in quick revision so that we will not be confused in exams, and helps us to remember all the topics and small details of the chapter.